Hello, today we are learning Big Ideas Lesson 1.4, which is simply multiplying integers. So remember, integers are those whole numbers and their opposites. So we're going to go ahead and start on that. The key ideas that we'll be learning from this lesson are that when you multiply integers with the same sign, then the product of the two integers is going to be positive no matter what. So if they're both positive, the answer will be positive. If both signs are negative, the answer will be positive. Then also we are learning that multiplying integers with different signs or opposite signs, then the answer will be negative. So a positive times a negative, the answer is going to be negative, and a negative times a positive, the answer will be negative. So let's try some out. We'll go ahead and put our rule up here so we don't forget that when you multiply two integers with the same sign, the answer will always be positive. So let's try it out. We have 3 times 5, and we all already know this. We learned it when we were much younger in elementary school. 3 times 5 is 15. And we know the answer is going to be positive because both of the integers were positive. And 2 times 8, the answer is 16. Once again, the answer will be positive because both integers are positive. So let's try some other ones. What about if mine are both negative? We know that a negative times a negative is going to result in a positive answer. So negative 3 times negative 5 is going to be 15. Notice how that is the same answer for a positive 3 times positive 5. And then negative 2 times negative 8 will also be positive 16 because if the signs are the same, the answer will be positive. So let's go ahead and move on to the next slide. So we'll remind ourselves of the rule that when you multiply two integers with opposite signs, the answer will always be negative. So if my signs do not match, then the answer will be negative. So let's go ahead and try it out. We have 4 times negative 5. And because the signs don't match, I can already put a negative sign before I even do the multiplication. And then I just have to figure out what 4 times 5 is, and that is 20. So the answer is negative 20. All right. So 1 times negative 9, I know the answer is going to be negative. And then I just have to do the multiplication. 1 group of 9 is going to equal 9. And we'll try it the other way with the negative sign in front. Negative 4 times 5 is still going to be negative 20. It doesn't matter which integer is negative and which one is positive. If they do not match, then the answer will be negative. 1 times negative 9 is negative 9. All right, I think you are ready to go start multiplying integers on assignment 1.4.